Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to create and release your own album in BandLab step by step, and it's totally free. First of all, get your tracks ready. First finish and save all the songs you want to include in your album. Make sure each project is mixed and finalized, because once it's published, that's what listeners will hear. After you have made the song in BandLab by creating the plus icon and importing the file or voice audio, then you need to go to the library option at the below. You will see the library option. Click on that. Then step 3 is to create the album. Tap the plus create album option and add an album name. At the album section, go to the album section and create a plus new section. Here you can give the album name and type the description. After you have made, simply choose the album settings and date and simply click on the plus, the right option at the top. After you have created your album, you can now add a track. You can also set the track order so your songs play in the exact sequence you want. Once everything look good, it published, your album will go live on BandLab and people can listen, share and follow you. And that's it, you have just released your very own album on BandLab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more music tips, and I'll see you in the next one.